Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Mansi, and in today's video we will be talking about toys. Yes, it is so important in our little ones' lives because they play a major role in their motor and sensory development. So it becomes a duty for us as a parent to select the right kind of a toy. So, if the baby is between 2 months to 6 months of age, what is the type of toy? What are the things that you need to consider? I'll be discussing all those things today. And why I have selected the age 2 months to 6 months? Because from 0 to 2, the little one does not require any toy, it just requires a lot of attention from mama and papa. So both the parents, they are the best thing that you can give to that 0 to 2 months baby. So once the baby crosses the 2 months, there are a few toys that you can introduce to that little one. And so let me begin with the first one. The first one is that hanging rattle. Children just enjoy looking at something that is moving in front of their eyes like this. And let me show you one hanging rattle that I bought for my little one. This was the first toy I gave her, and my daughter Anaira, she used to gaze at this pink duck all the time. Whether we used to move it left or right, her eyes used to get stuck on this little duck, and that was very interesting and amusing. So this kind of a toy you can go for. It's a hanging rattle. It makes sound, it rotates, and it's colorful. So this was the first toy that you can go for. Next, when baby starts grasping something, you can go for some rattles like this or something like this, where the baby can hold. And one thing that you need to make sure is that the rattles should not be very harsh, these should be soft, so even if the child hits itself, it doesn't get hurt. See, another rattle I'm gonna show you. This one, it's from brand Picky Po. Yeah, it's a rattle. It also makes a squeezy sound that's very amusing for the baby, and it won't hurt because it's so soft. I think this was the first rattle I bought for my baby. It's so cute. She still loves it. So this was the second toy. Another toy that you can go for the little one is a play mat. So play mats are really very interesting. There are a number of toys hanging in there, and your baby, you just have to lay your baby on the mat and the baby will play with the toys. You'll try to touch and grab, so that is very interesting for the baby. And yes, of course, the motor development is there, sensory development. When the baby will touch different things, it will be there. And yes, you can buy some time for yourself. So that was one of the toys that you can go for. The things that you need to take care is the toys should be very colorful and bright, because uh, the color vision of that little one is still developing. At least till 5 months the color vision is developing. So whenever you select toys, it should be high contrast, or it should be very bright in color, it should be very catchy. So that was another thing. Then what else you can go for is teethers. At that time, at this age, babies put anything in their mouth. No matter what you give, they'll put anything in their mouth. So it's better you give a good quality teether. Like you can go for this thing. This is it's a banana brush that you can give to your little one. It can be chewed from anywhere. Any portion can be taken into mouth. And there is a little brush also, so they'll get a hint of brushing. However, it's not good for brushing or something, but it is a good teether that you can go for. Then what you can go for is, so the next toy that you can go for is sound toys, because at this age the baby is not usually very active with the body. So sound toys are like these. These are roly poly dolls. So when you put it near your baby will move, your baby will try to grab the doll, or kick the doll, so whenever he'll be making or she'll be making the movement, it'll make sound, and that again amuses the child. So yes, this is one of the toys I loved playing with Anaira, my daughter. So these were the things that I wanted to share with you all. I hope you liked it. However, there are a few things that I want to tell you that you should not do, and they are like, you should not be going for small and little things, because if that thing will be in your baby's mouth, it can choke your baby. So you have to be a little careful in that case. And another thing is that one thing that you need to take care is, while choosing the toy, you need to check the plastic quality. It should be very good quality plastic, it should not be any quality. And make sure the colors that are used on that toy should be non-toxic, because generally babies put these toys in their mouth and it is not good for their health. So these are the things that you need to take care of. Next, one more thing I would like to talk about is soft toys. Yes, you can go for soft toys also. They are really good for tummy times and cuddling and touching the different textures and all these things. So you can go for soft toys as well. So these were the toys that I introduced to my little one, and she enjoyed, and yes, I played with it. Thank you so much for staying with me, and please like and subscribe the channel. I hope the information was of some use to you. Your like will be very motivating for me. Thank you so much.